1. Exchange-traded funds, a gateway to diversification. When you're new to investing or working with limited funds, exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, are among the best assets to invest in. These funds are collections of stocks or bonds that trade on an exchange similar to individual stocks. The beauty of exchange-traded funds is that they allow you to diversify your investment across a wide range of companies or sectors with just one purchase. 3 of the most popular and largest exchange-traded funds, based on assets under management, are the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY. This ETF tracks the performance of the Standard & Poor's 500 index, which comprises 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US. Next, the iShares MSCI, Emerging Markets ETF, ticker symbol EEM. This ETF provides exposure to large and mid-sized companies in emerging market countries like China, India, and Brazil, and the Invesco QQQ ETF, ticker symbol QQQ. This exchange-traded fund tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, which includes 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, with a heavy emphasis on technology. Even if you only have a small amount of money, many platforms let you buy fractional shares of ETFs, meaning you can start with as little as $5 or $10. Some of the most popular brokers that allow for the purchase of fractional shares are Robinhood, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and SoFi. This makes ETFs one of the easy assets to invest in if you're looking to spread your risk without needing a large initial investment. 2. No-load mutual funds, low-cost exposure to the market. No-load mutual funds are another excellent choice when searching for assets to invest in with little money. A no-load mutual fund is a type of mutual fund that does not charge any sales commission or load when you buy or sell shares. There are 2 types of mutual funds, actively managed and passively managed. Actively managed funds are managed by professional portfolio managers who allocate the fund's assets according to its investment objectives, such as growth, income, or capital preservation. Index funds, which track a specific market index, like the S&P 500, are an alternative to actively managed funds. Because they are passively managed, index funds typically have lower management fees compared to actively managed funds, which means more of your money stays invested. Many brokers and asset managers have low minimum investment requirements for no-load mutual funds, particularly if you set up an automatic investment program where you agree to invest a fixed amount at a regular interval, like monthly or quarterly. With no-load mutual funds, you also get the benefit of diversification, making them one of the best assets to invest in for long-term growth. 3. Dividend reinvestment plans. Grow your wealth automatically. If you're interested in earning income from your investments, dividend reinvestment plans, also known as DRIPs, are some of the best assets to invest in with little money. DRIPs allow you to invest directly in a company's stock and automatically reinvest any dividends earned back into more shares. The great thing about dividend reinvestment plans is that many companies offer them with no fees and low initial investment requirements, sometimes starting as low as $10 or $25. This makes DRIPs another of the easy assets to invest in for anyone looking to grow their portfolio over time through the power of compounding dividends. 4. Peer-to-peer lending, earning interest while helping others. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper and Funding Circle offer a unique opportunity to invest in loans to individuals or small businesses. Depending on the platform you use, oftentimes you can start lending with as little as $25 per loan, making it one of the more accessible assets to invest in with little money. Furthermore, by diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers, you can reduce your risk while earning higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Peer-to-peer lending is one of the best assets to invest in. For those who want to explore alternative investment options and earn steady interest income. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Access property markets with minimal capital. Investing in real estate is often seen as a strategy only for those with significant capital, but real estate crowdfunding platforms are changing the game. Platforms like Fundraise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with relatively small amounts of money, sometimes as low as $10. These platforms pool money from many investors to purchase properties, offering you a share of the rental income or the property's appreciation. This makes real estate crowdfunding one of the best assets to invest in for those looking to diversify their portfolio into real estate without needing a large sum of money. 6. Micro-investing apps turn spare change into investments. Micro-investing apps like Acorns and Stash have revolutionized the way people can start investing with very little money. These apps round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It's an incredibly simple and user-friendly way to start building wealth without needing to make large upfront investments. Micro-investing apps are among the best assets to invest in with little money for beginners who want to start small and gradually grow their investments over time. 7. Cryptocurrency. A high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Cryptocurrency is one of the most talked about assets to invest in with little money, and for good reason. Platforms like Webull allow you to purchase fractional shares of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, making it possible to start investing with just a few dollars. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can be very risky. While they offer the potential for high returns, they also come with significant risks. For those willing to take on this risk, cryptocurrency can be one of the best assets to invest in for potentially high rewards. 8. Financial education. Investing in your financial education is one of the most valuable assets to invest in with little money or even no money required. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about where to invest, how to manage risk, and how to build wealth over time. Reading investing and finance books is an excellent way to enhance your knowledge, giving you insights into strategies and principles that can guide your investment decisions. Books like The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham offer timeless advice on building wealth, understanding market dynamics, and avoiding common investment pitfalls. These resources often cost less than $20 or are available for free at libraries, making them one of the easiest and most cost-effective assets to invest in with little money. Happy investing!